Good day to everyone. Hope everyone is fine. Now, today we'll be again discussing on exercise 2.5 from the same chapter, linear equation in one variable. So, exercise 2.5. Okay. Now, the first problem of exercise 2.5 is x by 5, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, now this is the equation that is given to us. Now if we closely see the equation, what we are having, the denominator on the LHS side and the denominator on the RHS side are different, and on both the sides we have variables involved, right? Therefore what we can say is now solution. Let us first see this. Let us first write this. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Therefore, now the denominators are different on both the sides. So what we'll do, first we'll try to make the denominators common on either of the side. So the here now 2 into 5 I will multiply and 5 into 2 so that the denominator becomes same. So here what I can say is I can multiply this as 5 into x divided by 5 into 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by 5 into 2. Same way, what we can do is now 4 into x divided by 4 into 3 plus 3 into 1 divided by 4 into 3. So what we are having now, this becomes your 5x by 10 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4x by 12 plus 3 by 12. Therefore, what I can do now, 5x minus 2 divided by 10 is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 12. Now here you can do the cross multiplication. Multiply 12 on this side of the equation and 10 can be multiplied on this side of the equation. Therefore, what I can say, 12 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 into 4x plus 3. Therefore, now here what we can say when we open the brackets, therefore 12 into 5 is how much? 60. Or we can do one thing here. Now when we take 12 onto this side, this will become division. So directly we can do it here. Division. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. Therefore this equation becomes 6 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 5 into 4x plus 3. Therefore, now what I can say, therefore, open the brackets, 30x minus 6 2s are 12 is equal to 20x plus 15. Now when we are opening the bracket, this is what the value we are getting. Now the equation is in the simple form. Now what we can do, we have to just arrange the terms. Therefore, what it is, 30x minus 20x. Oh, here it is x. Let me just write it over here. It is, so 20x, okay, is equal to 15. Now minus 12 on this side will become plus 12. So therefore, now 30 minus 20 is how much? 10x is equal to, this will be your 27. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 27 by 10. This is the value of x. Got it? So this is how we need to solve the example when the denominators are different. Now the next example what we will see is, let me just change the board for the clear visibility. Okay. Okay. Now the second example is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. See, when we look at this problem, we feel that, oh, three terms are there, what we need to do, how we can solve it. That question will definitely arise. So let's not worry about it. First, let us do the common denominator. Therefore, what we can say now here, if I multiply 6 into 12 will be 6 into 2 will be 12, 4 into 3 will be 12, and 2 into 6 will be 12. Right? Why I am doing this one? Because the largest number is 6 and the smallest is 2. And if you see, the common multiple among this is the 2, and we are trying to make the denominator common by making the multiple of 2. Okay, so here what I can do is 6 into n divided by 2 into 6 minus, now here what I have to do, 3, right? Because here now 2 into 6 is 12. Now 4 into 3 will be 12. So here 3 into 3n divided by 4 into 3 plus, now 5n and 6. Now in order to get denominator as 2, I have to multiply it by 12, we have to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 5n divided by 2 into 6 is equal to how much? 21. Now your denominator is common. So what it becomes? Therefore 6n by 12 minus 9n by 12 plus 10n by 12 is equal to 21. Therefore, now we can arrange it as 6n minus 9n plus 10n whole divided by 12 is equal to 21. Therefore, now 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Therefore, what I will do now, 7n is equal to 21 into 12, because this is division here. When I take on this side, it becomes multiplication. Therefore, n is equal to how much? 12 into 21 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore, n is equal to how much? 12 into 3 is 36. Right? So, this is how we need to solve the example. Got it? Now, we'll see another example, third one, which is little bit again different. So let me just write it down. The third example is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now see, again on the LHS side and the RHS side, we have to arrange the terms. So here what I am having, this is one part of the equation minus 8x by 3, and this is one part. So in order to make the denominator common, I have to multiply this. So what I will do is, I will multiply 3 into x plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3, right? When you separate also, what it will become, this 3x plus 7 divided by 3 minus 8 by 3, it will be, when you separate it, how it will be, 3 into x plus 7 divided by 3 minus 8x by 3. So 3 3 cancel, again your equation is x plus 7 minus 8 by 3 x, right? So the equation doesn't change. So what we are doing, we are just arranging the terms to make sure that the equation is solved easily. Got it? Okay. So again on this side, what we will do, in order to have a common denominator, I will multiply this as 2 into 17 divided by 6 into 2 minus 6 into 5x divided by 2 into 6. Therefore, open the brackets, 3x plus 21 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to 14 by 12 minus how much? 30x by 12. Therefore, now 3x minus 8x will be how much? Minus 5x plus 21 divided by 3 is equal to, now here 14 minus 30x divided by 12. Therefore, again, now what we can do, if I take 3 onto this side, this will be multiplied over the equation. So directly I can divide it here. 3 ones are 3 fours are, right? Now I will take it as 4 into minus 5x plus 21 is equal to 14 minus 30x, right? I took 4 on this side. Now open the brackets, minus 20x plus 4 21 is how much? 84 is equal to 14 minus 30x. Arrange the terms. So minus 30, when it comes onto this side, this will be plus. So I can write it as 30x minus 20x is equal to, now when I take 84 onto this side, it will become minus 84 minus 84 plus 14. Therefore 10x is equal to how much? Now this will be your 70, right? 84 minus this one minus 70. Therefore x is equal to minus 70 by 7. 7 ones are 7 tens are. Therefore x is equal to minus 10. So this is how we need to arrange the terms, and we have to solve the problem. Now I think the other problems you can solve it. There are two other remaining problems which are easy. The next we will see simplify and solve the following linear equation. Now we have one more example, that what it is saying is simplify and solve the equation. Simplify and solve the equation. In that, the seventh problem. We will see the seventh problem. What it says is 3 into t minus 3. Let me write it properly. Seventh one, 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. 5 into 2t plus 1. See, again only just we need to open the brackets here and arrange the terms. So this will be how much? Therefore 3 into t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Now arrange the terms. What we will have, when 10 comes on this side, it will be 3t minus 10t is equal to 5. 9 when it goes on this side, it becomes plus. Therefore this is minus 7t is equal to 14. Therefore t is equal to minus, because when I take minus on this side, it will be means minus 7 on this side, it will be minus 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore what we are getting, t is equal to minus 2, right? So this is how we need to solve the example. We'll try to solve the last problem, that is your 10th problem. Okay, so what it says is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. Okay. Therefore, now directly you open the bracket. 25 fours is how much? 100. How many decimals? 2. So that will be how much? Let me just write it. 0.25 into 4f minus 0.25 into 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9, right? Therefore, now 25 fours is how much? 100. And how many decimals are there? 1 decimal. So 1.00. So this will be your just simply f minus Now 25 3 is how much? 75. So this will be 0.75 is equal to. Now 10f means 5 into 10 is 50. So here two decimals. So this becomes 0.5f. What happened? 0.5f minus 9 5s are 45. So this is 0.45. Now again arrange the terms. It is just simple. F minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75, because minus we are taking on this side. So this f means what? This is 1f. So 1f minus 0.5f is how much? 0.5f is equal to. Now 75 minus 45, how much? 30. So that is 0.30. Therefore, f is equal to, what we can say is 0.30 divided by 0.5. So what we can do here, now we have to divide this equation. So when we divide this equation, in order to have a simple understanding, you can write this as 30 into 10 raised to minus 2, and this is 5 into 10 raised to minus 1, right? So this is nothing but, you can further simplify this as 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and then when you take 10 to onto the numerator side, this becomes 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to 1, right? So this is equal to 6 into 10 is to minus 1. So this is equal to 6 by 10. So this is equal to 0.6. Got it? So this is how we need to solve the example. By this we conclude exercise 2.5. I hope everyone understood this one. If not, please post your comments and please do subscribe to the channel to receive more updates. Thank you.